In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate paused gigs on Fiverr in 2025. This is a very easy process, and I'll guide you through each step to ensure you can get your gigs back up and running in no time. So let's dive right in. Start by heading over to Fiverr. Once you're logged into your account, navigate to your selling account. You can do this by clicking on your profile picture in the top right corner, which will reveal a drop-down menu. From there, select My Business. This is where you manage all aspects of your Fiverr selling activities. Once you're in My Business, you need to locate the Gigs section. Click on Gigs. And this will direct you to a page displaying all of your active, paused, and draft gigs. Now, what you want to focus on here is your paused gigs. These are the gigs that, for whatever reason, you have temporarily taken offline and now wish to reactivate. Browse through the list of your gigs until you find the specific gig that you want to reactivate. Make sure you know exactly which one it is, because activating a gig means it will once again be visible to buyers and available for them to purchase. It's a good idea to double check any details beforehand if necessary. Next, you'll notice there's a drop-down menu on the right side of your selected gig. Click on this drop-down menu. It will give you a few different options, one of which should be Activate. When you click Activate, you're essentially telling Fiverr that you're ready to offer this service again and that you want it visible in the marketplace. Now, after clicking on the Activate option, the page will reload briefly. Don't worry, this is completely normal. Fiverr is updating your gig status from paused to active, thus making it available for potential buyers to view. Once the page has finished reloading, you'll see that the status of your gig has changed to active. This means your gig is now live and ready for business again. At this point, it might be useful to review your gig one more time to ensure everything looks perfect from the buyer's perspective, and maybe even consider refreshing any details or images that may entice new buyers. And that's it. Your gig is now reactivated. Remember, you can pause and activate your gigs as needed, depending on your availability or strategy. This control means you can better manage your workflow and ensure you're not overcommitting yourself. Thank you for watching, and hopefully this guide has made the process of reactivating your Fiverr gigs a breeze. If you found this video helpful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time.